Understanding, dredging up the past. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, dredging up the past. This phrase is loaded with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can help you navigate both casual and deep conversations in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important to be aware of the context when this phrase is brought up. Dredging up the past refers to the act of bringing back old memories, issues, or feelings that have been forgotten or buried over time. The word, dredge, literally means to clean out the bottom of a body of water by scooping out mud, weeds, and rubbish. So, when we say someone is dredging up the past, we're using this physical action as a metaphor for digging into someone's personal history or old events that might not be pleasant or wanted in the current context. This phrase is often used in contexts where old issues or memories are being brought up, sometimes to make a point, resolve unfinished business, or as a means of causing emotional impact. For example, in a conversation, someone might say, "Why do you always dredge up the past whenever we argue?" This indicates that one person feels the other is bringing up old grievances or issues that they believe should no longer be relevant. It's important to use this phrase carefully, as it can evoke strong emotions or suggest that someone is not willing to move on from past events. It's often found in more serious discussions or arguments, rather than casual conversations. Discussing old memories or issues isn't always negative. In therapy or close relationships, dredging up the past can be a way to understand deep-seated feelings, heal old wounds, and move forward. However, the context and intention behind it make a big difference. When used carelessly or to hurt someone, it can lead to resentment and hinder the healing process. On the other hand, addressing the past with care and a genuine desire to understand or heal can strengthen relationships and personal growth. Dredging up the past is a powerful phrase that captures the complex process of dealing with memories, emotions, and unresolved issues. Whether it's used in a moment of frustration or as a step towards healing, it's important to be mindful of the impact it can have on both the speaker and the listener. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and helps you navigate conversations with greater understanding and empathy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.